Hello guys, my name is Ursula and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve a new LeetCode question, that is Excel sheet column number. We will be solving this question with the help of Python. So let's start solving this question. Just before starting solving this question guys, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So let's read out the question. Given a string column number that represents the number a column title as appears in an Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number. For example, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, Z is 26, AA is 27, and AB is 28, so on. So we have to return corresponding value of this given string. For example, if it a given string is A, we have to return 1. If it is a given string is AB, we will be returning 28. So let's start solving this question. So first of all, I have to explain you the logic of this whole thing. So if a value is 1, A it is 1, B it would be 28, and C it would be 26 into 28 plus 3. So how come this is happening? So let me explain it to you how this is all happening. So it is happening because if you multiply 0 into 26 plus 1, so we will be getting A, and 0 is the sum and B is uh, sum. So this all will be here into multiply by 26 plus 2. So this value will keep on adding. Now C is equals to 28, because this whole value is 28, so we'll be taking 28 into 26 plus 3. So how we are getting these values 1, 2, 3? How do we get these? So I have taken ASCII values. Let's go for search and find out what ASCII are. ASCII. So if you see a table here, you can check that for capital A is C, capital A, capital B, capital C. Uh, let's check. Um, yeah, this looks more relevant. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so see, this is 65, B is 66, C is 77, and so on. So we only need three values here for to make the example clear to you, because we are only I am only explaining you the ABC value so that you can understand it in a better way. So this is 64, this is 66, so this is 67. So here this is starting from 0. So we will say that instead of this we can write 65 minus 64, because A is equals to 65. So 65 minus 64, this could be um, 66, because B is 66 minus 64, again the base which we considered as 0, and 67 minus 64. So this is which will give us 3. So this seems more logical now. So I hope you have got the point what we are actually saying. So after we have understand what we are actually gonna do, let's convert this whole thing into a code starting from sum is equals to 0. Okay, and then I will say a loop here for I in range length of column title. Then I will go with sum is equals to sum into 26 plus ord column title I and minus 64. So put a bracket here again, and then I will be just return the sum. So what we have to actually did here is I have created a loop here starting from a variable sum, which I have already defined outside the loop, and I've said that sum is equals to 26. So because this is sum only, because if you check for this whole value, we are getting 1. So 1 will be here into 26, then whole this value will give us 28, and 28 into this plus this. So this, if you convert this whole thing or B or C anything into this form, you will get an answer here. So let's do that, and I've already did that, and I have taken ORD, which will give us the ACI value of all the ith integer ith values in the string. For example, if for A it will give 1, for AB it will give 28 ultimately. So A it will give us, so this whole will give us 65, and this will give us 0 for A, and this is 65 for 64, and this is 65 for A. If we talk about example number 1, and if we return it, we will get 1. So let's run the code and check for an answer. So we have got our answer here. So this was all in the question, guys. Hope you have understood this question, and if you have any doubt, ask in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time.